how to create a fitness planner and journal store on Shopify and make money online. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Shopify.com is a platform where you can create your own online store without using any development or any programming language or any skills. You will just need to drag and drop the elements. So here I'm going to show you first how you can create your account in the platform. So just type your Shopify in your search, then click on the first link, which is this one. Click on the first link. Then you will proceed to this page, click on start free trial, then enter your email, and then you will have your account created. After that, you will proceed to this dashboard. This is where you can change everything about your store. Here in your left, you have all of the buttons that you will need, from the home to the orders. This is where you can see all of your orders, the ordered items over time, the returns, the fulfilled orders, the delivered ones. And here in the products, you can add a new product, or you can import products from other websites like CG Dropshipping or Shopify, or the other products that allows you to import products from their platforms to have them in your store. And then we have the customers, the content, and the analytics, which is very important. It's where you're going to find all of your data. You will see your total sales in here. You will see your online store conversion rate, the online store sessions as well. And you can see the total orders, the average order value. So you can see all of these things in the analytics. Then we have the marketing and the discounts. Then the important thing is the online store. This is where you're going to see how your store is looking like. And this is where you're going to change its design. So here, click on view your store to see how it's looking like right now. So this is how our store is looking like right now. I think I'm using the ride theme, if I'm still remembering. Yes, it's ride. This is my current theme. And here, by scrolling down, you will be able to see or to find other themes. But first, I'm going to remove this one from here. Then I'm going to scroll down, click on visit theme store in order to see the available themes and see if I can find a theme that is related to fitness planning and journal store. So here we have 173 themes. Most of them are paid ones and just 12 are free. So let's filter by free themes. We're going to see only the free themes. So here we have Ride, which is the one I'm using currently. We have Refresh, which is about hair products and skincare. Sense is about skincare as well. Spotlight is about caps and clothing. Origin is about handbags. Down as well is about handbags. Craft is about dishes and spoons and those things. And this one is about taste, I think juices. Studio is about a curated selection of exceptional art by emerging talent. Spring collection, this one as well is about fashion. And here we have Crave, I think it's about recipes. Let's check this one. If it's about recipes, then it will fit my fitness planning and journal store. I will just need to change the content of the theme. Free shipping on orders more than $35. Meet your new favorite pantry staple. Cook restaurant quality Asian dishes in under 30 minutes with our meal starters. So these are just meal starters, it's not recipes. So let's go back to choose another theme. So here let's go back, click on here and click on here again. Let's check publisher. So here click on view demo store to see what the store is talking about. Publisher is an independent studio and gallery offering a curated selection of books, apparel, merch, and accessories. So I think I'm going to use this theme. So click on try theme. Then you will have it installed on your store. Let's close the first window. We will not need it anymore. And here let's wait for this theme to completely load. And here let's close this one and give it a few seconds to complete loading. And it's still loading. Let's go to home and let's come back to our theme in here. Let's come back to the online store. And here click on, this is the theme that we've installed just now. Click on publish in order to publish this theme. Then let's go and click on customize in order to change all of the things about this theme. So this is how our theme is looking like, and this is where we're going to change everything about it. And the amazing thing about this platform, guys, is, as I said in the beginning, you will not need any skills or anything like that. You will just need to scroll down and click on whatever you'd like to change. For example, the header. Then you will be able to change everything about your header. So here, if you want to place it in the middle left to save more place, and here you can go to the theme settings in order to drop your logo. So here just click on select image to select images from your desktop, and then you will have your logo ready. And by scrolling down, you will be able to add the fav icon as well. And the fav icon is the logo that you will have in here. In this place, you just need to take your logo, change the sizes of it, then drop it again in here. Then you will have your fav icon. And the same thing with the other sections. Just click on whatever you'd like to change, then you will be able to change it. Just make sure to save. Click on save after you're done with your changes. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.